Hey guys, so today we're going to set up this Ozark 6-person instant cabin tent. We got this from Costco, $129. Let's see how easy it is. It says here sleep 6, 5 feet 6 inches. The 2 queen mattress can fit on this one. Wind resistant to 40 kilometers an hour, water resistant. So let's see if it's really easy to set up.